Hello everyone. Today we'll start off by reviewing exponents. So let's jump straight into a warm-up just to get your brains thinking. So one day, Jimmy and his friend watched the Mathemagic short on YouTube. They liked it so much that they both shared it with two people at their school. Suppose this trend continued and every day each new viewer told two more people at school. How many new views would Mathemagic have by the end of the fourth day? So, before we start filling out this table with math, I just wanted to show you guys a visual demonstration on what's happening here. So, on the first day, Jimmy and his friend share with the two first people. Now, on the second day, these two people share it to two people each. So, we have 4. Now, on the third day, each of these 4 share it to 2 more. So, we have 8. And this trend continues onwards and so forth, doubling the amount of new viewers each day. So now we have a visual representation of what happens. Let's start filling out this table. So on the first day, it's 2 new viewers that Jimmy and his friend originally showed, but then we have doubling it, 4, doubling it again, 8, and doubling it again, 16. Now, we can write each of these new viewer counts in the expanded form using the number 2. So 4 can be written as 2 times 2. 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2. And finally 16 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now, already writing out all these 2's is too much work. It's like kind of redundant. You don't have to do it all because we have something called an exponent. So, the exponent is basically a number being multiplied by itself by a set number of times that the power dictates. So here 2 is being multiplied by itself 2 times. So we would say it would be 2 to the power of 2. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 being multiplied by itself 3 times. So we would say 2 as the base being multiplied by itself 3 times. Finally, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 as 16 new viewers, and this would be 2 to the power of 4. So, to answer this question, how many new views would Mathemagic have by the end of the fourth day? We would say it would have 16 new viewers by the end of the fourth day, or 2 to the power of 4 new viewers by the end of the fourth day. Now, since we have seen the pattern here where it doubles every day, it says determine the number of new viewers Mathemagic should expect on day 6. So here, we could simply write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Already very boring, very redundant. Or we can simply write 2 to the power of 6 and just put this in our calculators. Or you could calculate in your head. So here we have 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32 times 2, 64. 64 new viewers. So, therefore, there's 64 new viewers on day 6. Now, using the same model, determine the number of new viewers Mathemagic should expect on day 15. Is this number realistic? Why or why not? So again, we can write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 all the way up 15 times. Very, as you can see, this is just way too much work. Or we can write 2 to the power of 15 and simply input this in our calculators. And if we put it into our calculators, we get the number 32,768. Now, there's a second part to this question. Is this number realistic? Why or why not? Now, these questions exist so you can make sure that you put this number into the context of the question. Now, the context of this question is a school, right? They're sharing the video within their school. Now, I don't know about you, but my school certainly does not have 32,000 people in it. So we would say this number is not realistic because there's no way a school holds that many people. So, or therefore statement, there should be 32,768 new viewers. But this number is not realistic as no school holds that many people.